guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and welcome. Today we are going to be creating this look using only one palette. You might remember this palette from my natural palettes that I like to use, and I thought I kind of want to do a look that's pretty simple that a lot of people can recreate and a lot of people pretty much probably know how to do anyway, which is a halo eye. And then I was feeling burberry, like I want some burgundy up in there, so then I got me some lips. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. And if this is your first time here, I want to say welcome, baby. Welcome, 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 welcome. And if you are my returning fam, then babies, I appreciate your love and support for coming back and supporting your girl. So thank you so much for coming. And without further ado, let's just get this bad boy started. And so as you can see, my face and brows are completely done. So we are going to be using this custom palette that I did for my birthday, and the brush that we're going to be using for this look is also from MAC, and this is their brush number 224. And the first shadow we're going to jump into, we are going to go in with Saddle, and we're just going to place Saddle right above the crease and just blend that out. Now to give the crease a little bit more of some depth, we're going to go in now with Swiss Chocolate. And we're going to place that directly on the crease and then blend that out. Now with a more dome brush, we are going to go in with the shade I'm Into It, and we are going to be placing that shade directly on the crease and then blending that inward. And then once that has been blended inward, we're going to go in on the inner corner of the eye, and then we're going to blend that inward. We're pretty much going to be creating a halo eye, so we want to make sure that the middle portion of the eye is blank and not covered with shadow. Now with the more smaller brush, we're going to go in with the shade Goldmine, and we're going to place that directly in the middle of the lid and then blend that upwards to the crease. And then once that has been placed on, we're going to go back in with I'm Into It, place it on the corners near the shimmer, and we're just going to blend that inward so everything kind of goes together. And then we're going to take that same MAC brush and then we're going to blend the crease. Now we're going to go in with the liner, and this is the Black Radiance Beauty Liner, and this is in the shade Black. Now that the eyeliner is placed, we're going to go in now with the Lash Lengthening Mascara, and this is also from Black Radiance Beauty. Now that that is completed, we're going to go back in with Swiss Chocolate, and we're going to smudge the color at the bottom of the lash line. Now with Goldmine, we're going to go back in and give myself a highlight using that same eyeshadow color. And now we got on the lashes, and the lashes we are using is from Ardell. Now it's time to move on to the lips. We are going to first use the Sephora Lip Cream Stain lipstick, and this is in number 24, and we're basically going to plate this all over the cupid's bow and the bottom of my lip, and then we're going to blend that out. And now to add in the darker tone lip, we are going to be using Mamacita, and this is from Colourpop Cosmetics. We are going to place it on the outer rims of my lips, and then we're going to blend that inwards. And since I'm a perfectionist and I saw that the lines weren't 100% perfect, I went in with my concealer and I just cleaned up the lines and then I blended everything out. And this is the look, guys. I hope you like it, and yeah, let's go right back into the video. Okay guys, well, this is the final look. I off camera rip off the lashes because I was having another debacle of my epic fail, and I will link that video right here. And I was not feeling it. It's still freaking watering up, and yeah, I don't know what's up with my eyes. I think my eyes are just becoming super sensy, and might be taking a break from lashes for a minute, which suck because those lashes are pretty light and there's nothing wrong with them. I bought brand new glue. I literally cleaned my brushes last night, including my tools as well as my countertop. So I'm not quite sure why my eyes, especially when it just comes to the lashes, they're just like, sorry girl, we ain't gonna let you rock with them because we have other plans for you, which is pretty much not gonna be what you want. Just ripped them off, and then I just kind of reapplied my shadow underneath my bottom lashes. Also with the lip, I just added a little bit more of the Sephora lip paint. I just put this on top of the Mamacita, and it just pretty much brought out more of the ombre look. I wasn't really trying to go for an ombre, but hey, I'm not knocking it. Either way, I think the look came out pretty good. You guys let me know what your thoughts are. Sorry that the lashes didn't work. I feel like the lashes was like the cherry on the look, and now it just kind of looks you know? If you made it all this way, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And if you are already part of my fam, then thank you for coming back, baby. I appreciate your love and support. Also, I kind of want to get like a name for you guys, like Candyland. The Candyland sounds nasty. I don't know if I want to do Candyland. We could do like Candy Cane's fam. I don't know. I have a sweet tooth, and I don't know, Candy's my name, so I kind of want to have something that goes with that for you guys, and that'd be like our own little like thing. You know, people be like, what are you talking about? I'd be like, oh, I'm part of that fam, you ain't know. I do appreciate the love and support. You guys are amazing. Again, please leave your comments down below. I love to hear from you guys, and I will see you at the next one. Deuces, y'all. Peace. Bye. Giggity giggity. Giggity, giggity, giggity. The other day, me and the boys watched a video, and I don't know if you guys remember the part where Will.i.am was the bird, and he was like, giddy 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 girl, giddy 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 girl, drop it to the floor, shake it to the floor, drop it low, drop it low, drop it low. I got like stuck in my head for some reason.